Hi there, and for this video, we're going to show you how to find your wallet address on the Kraken mobile app. Now, first off, this is what Kraken's homepage on the mobile app would look like. By default, you'll be on your favorite cryptos or your watch list, as it's called here. Now, there are a few ways to go about this. If you already have a portfolio, you can simply tap on that and go to your individual assets and click on deposit. Let me give 3 examples. Let's start with something like ADA, for example. If we want to find our address for our ADA, simply tap on deposit, and here in Kraken it does tell us how much the minimum is and the processing time before we even go for a transaction. Tap on I understand, and here you can simply copy the address and paste it over to the platform you're sending from. You can view the full address to copy it, or you can share your address, and you can even scan the code. But for example, if we wanted to look at something with a memo like XRP, and there is only a very small minimum deposit here on Kraken for XRP, but you would have to copy both the address and the tag, and you can only view the full address, but you can't view the tag. And lastly, with something like Tether that can go through multiple networks, you simply have to choose which one we will be using. Let's say we're using TRX. Deposit, and here we are. Once again, from here you can simply tap on the specific currency to see their address, or you can go to your portfolio and choose the assets from there. Otherwise, you can simply go straight to the market, and as long as you select the crypto and tap on deposit, you will immediately be able to find their address. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring your notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.